Hi, let me show you two ways how you can change a lock screen wallpaper on our Magic 7 Lite. So firstly, we need to open Settings and here find this tab Home Screen and Style. After that, you would see this lock screen customizations. So make sure you are tapping right here on the lock screen wallpaper. And now this tab will be opened, so you can pick something from this official theme, for example. You can check your lock screens. You can also find those magic lock screens and you can visit More tab and check many free options from the list. Now let's go back in settings and also we can find here gallery, so you can set your own photo as your wallpaper. For example, I can pick this one and now all is left is to tap apply. But let's discard changes and pick something else. For example, I want to pick this one. And right now we can customize lock screen and we can change image. So you can set your own image, just like this. You can also change time font, time color, and here you can find a lock screen style and you can switch to different wallpaper option. And also you can select this one for your home screen as well. So let's set this wallpaper. For that I'm gonna tap apply. And now it is setting wallpaper, so let's check this. And here it is, my new lock screen wallpaper, which I really like. The next way how you can change your lock screen is by doing this pinch gesture on the lock screen. And now you can see this option to change image. So also you can tap here and select new wallpaper, or you can add decoration, maybe change pattern or template color, and also lock screen style. And then as we did before, tap apply. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.